Oh, he's really cleaning it up. When I broke my Macbook screen with a hairbrush, I knew that it was going to be expensive to repair. She looked all over the internet for me because I couldn't see my screen to do it myself. And finally, we were seeing prices $600, $500. No, I can't do that. But she found here, and they did it for $400, and that is $200 less than I had anticipated, and that is good. And they did it fast, and now I'm happy because I have him, and he's beautiful, and he's healthy, and this is a good day, and you should come here.